Masipag kami. Di kami tamad. Di kami kagaya mo. Yun yung nagsiseparate sa ating dalawa.
Damn, Colex.
Yo! What's up mga ka-chips? I'm Josh Moica. Well, not really, but today, I'll be channeling the same passion and drive that started me from isang simpleng tanim ng kangkong to a new brand that's making waves all over the country and even outside of it. I'm here to introduce you the crunchy, the flavorful, the game changer you never knew you needed. Kangkong Chips Original. Let's go! I was just 16 when this all started. Pandemic, no school, and a lot of time on my hands. Then boom! I remembered. My tita's kangkong chips crispy, tasty, and totally unique. Naisip ko, why not turn this into a business? Just like that, from a small kitchen and the ilang frying pans, I built something real. But this isn't just a snack. KCO is a Filipino-made, youth-powered, and seriously addicting. Kangkong Chips Original is a premium snack made from fresh, locally sourced kangkong, hand-picked, carefully cleaned, and cooked to a crispy perfection. It is seasoned with our special blend of spices, and we've got mouth-watering flavors. Every chip, handmade, every batch, quality check, every bite, sobrang sarap. KCO is not just delicious, it is also guilt-free kasi less oily than your usual junk food. Vegan-friendly options because we believe in choices. Proudly Filipino, of course, we support local and perfect for all occasions. Kahit barkada bonding, Netflix nights, or even pangregalo. Plus, it is made with kangkong, a leafy veggie pack with nutrients like iron and fiber. Yup, masarap na, may health benefits pa. Think about it. How many snacks out there can say that they are unique, Filipino, healthier, and created by a young entrepreneur who just went all in with a dream? You are not just buying chips. You are buying into a movement, into passion, innovation, and a whole new way of enjoying local food. This is KCO, the original, the best, and the only. So ano na? Are you ready to crunch your way into something new? Order yours today through our official Instagram at kangkongchips.original or visit our website at www.kangkongchipsoriginal.ph. We deliver nationwide. And yes, international shipping is now open. Follow us for more updates, promos, and behind the scenes sa production. And remember, every pack of KCO you buy supports local farmers, workers, and young dreamers like me. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Sa support, hindi lang ito sa chips, ito ay pangarap na tinupad. Crunch with purpose, crunch with KCO. Laging tandaan, huwag maging tamad. Gayahin niyo ako.